going to elaborate about the exports and imports of Pakistan. So what are exports and imports? A function of international trade whereby goods produced in one country are shipped to another country for future sale or trade is said to be an export. In Pakistan, we produced more of some goods than we need, so we export those. Our fine textile is valued throughout the world. Imports. Imports are the goods and services a country buys from other countries. In Pakistan, sometimes we are unable to produce enough of some goods, so we import these goods. The main type of machinery that Pakistan import is for generating electricity. So students, here is an organization which is Food and Agriculture Organization, which is also called FAO. So what is the purpose for this organization? So this organization is an agency of United Nations. It contributes to international efforts to defeat hunger and improve local economies by helping its member countries modernize and improve agriculture fisheries practices. The Food and Agriculture Organization lists Pakistan as the world's second largest producer of buffalo milk. The value of buffalo milk is more than wheat, sugarcane and rice added together. Most of the country's buffalo are farmed in Punjab, but there are also many in Sindh, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Balochistan. So now let's discuss the major exports of Pakistan. Raw cotton, textile products and cotton yarn, food, leather and leather products, carpets, rugs and tents, surgical instruments, sport goods, chemicals, engineering goods, jewelry, cement and other goods. So these are some of the major products which Pakistan exports. So students, here you can see the graphical representation of exports of Pakistan. So it is very clear that textile is the topmost exports of Pakistan. So students, now let's discuss the major imports of Pakistan, which includes petroleum goods, machinery, foods, electrical goods, road vehicles, cotton and other fabrics, chemicals for crops, other chemicals, plastic material, iron and steel, telecom and other goods. So now let's look at the graphical representation of imports of Pakistan. So students, here you can see that petroleum goods are the topmost import of Pakistan. Then we have machineries, foods, other goods, etc. So here is the most important point which I want to tell you all, that if you import more than you export, more money is leaving the country than is coming in through export sales. On the other hand, the more a country exports, the more domestic economic activities occurring. More exports means more production, more jobs and revenue. So it's better to increase exports rather than imports. So I hope you will find this video helpful. Thank you so much.
Pride School System